Hey guys, it's Mia. Let's get started on this November box from Paletteful Packs. First up is our sticker for the month. It's very simple with different colored leaves for the fall. Next we have our 4 Cretacolor metallic pencils called the Brilliance. The colors I have are Touch of Midnight, Starry Starry Night, Electric Ruby, and Cotton Candy. I accidentally picked up another item in this month's box, a General Charcoal White Pencil. Another pencil, but this one is a white Stabilo pencil that can also write on glass, plastic, and metal. We have more pencils. 2 Holbein artist colored pencils in Wisteria and Naples Yellow. If these look familiar, it's because we got a full set of these for the June box in 2021. Good news! No more pencils. Now we're moving on to the markers. I have 2 felt tip markers from Stabilo. These are metallic colors that don't have the names listed on them, but these are obviously blue and green. We have 2 Posca pens, one in white and the other in silver. Right here we have a Marabu Graphics metallic aqua ink and pearl white. This is a watercolor ink that provides shimmer to your artwork. A round number 2 Princeton Select brush has been provided to help apply this liquid watercolor. Okay, we have another pen, a number 10 Jelly Roll. Last but not least, we have a sample pack of Strathmore black mixed media paper, size 4 by 6 inches. Alright, that was everything in a box. Not much else can fit in there. So let's get started swatching. We're going to start with the Cretacolor metallic pencils. I've never heard of this brand before, but then again, I'm not really into creating art with colored pencils. I primarily use them for sketching. And these are pretty decent colored pencils. They apply easily on this mixed media paper, and I was able to easily create gradients without pressing too hard and hurting my hands. And the pencils themselves are also pretty thick and feel comfortable in my hand. The colors are very pretty. However, I was expecting these pencils to have a bit more shimmer since they're metallics. If you're working with black paper, then a white pen or pencil is necessary in my opinion. Paletteful Packs gave 4 different options to choose from: a white gel pen, a white charcoal pen, a white multi-surface pencil, which is the Stabilo, and a white Posca pen. I think all of these are good choices depending on the effect you want. I like the Jelly Roll pen because it's opaque, whereas with the white charcoal pen I can control the intensity of the whiteness. The Holbein colored pencils are pretty decent. Like I said, we got a full set of these last year in June, and I like them because they're oil-based and they go on pretty smooth. The Stabilo pens actually surprised me. I thought I wouldn't be able to see them on the black paper, but they showed up very clear and very bright, so I was impressed. The white metallic watercolor was also surprising to work with. I was like at first, this is very watery and there's no way this is going to show up on this black mixed media paper. But you know what? It did, and it's also reflective at different angles. Okay, so we're done swatching. Let's draw something. If you made it this far in the video, you're probably wondering why my Paletteful Packs box is smaller. Well, that's because I changed my subscription. I used to get the Premier box, but I decided about a month ago to switch to the Petite box for 2 reasons. The first reason is I don't need full-size products anymore. And the second reason is that most of the time I don't use the items after I review them. Now, there are some items that I like and that I have used again, but other than that, I have a lot of art supplies that are just piling up and taking up space because I don't find them appealing. You know, like watercolor crayons and watercolor pencils. I don't need a full set of those, and I have enough sketchbooks, canvases, and mixed media sheets of my own that I can use, which leads to a couple more things, like seeing the same products in different boxes, you know, those Holbein colored pencils, and then just having a pile of colored pencils and markers that keep piling up. So yeah, I'm done with the full-size products. I actually have a couple of Paletteful Packs Premier boxes that haven't been reviewed yet. I may or may not do it. But yeah, I'm okay with the petite box. I don't think I'm missing out on anything. I'm also subscribed to Sketchbox, and I think perhaps by the end of the year, I may need to cancel either Paletteful Packs or Sketchbox. I need to evaluate. But with the money I pay each month for art subscription boxes, I think I'm better off buying my own products from an art supply store or something like that and just reviewing them on my channel. Okay, so we're at the end of the video. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you like my lava lamp. Let me know in the comments what you think about art subscription boxes. Do you like being surprised with full-size items each month, or do you prefer something smaller? Should I keep Paletteful Packs or Sketchbox? Let me know down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!